So what's up, it's Smirk. I'm chilling with Twills in the studio. He's the producer. We got some hot beats up in here, you know, working with some good people in the industry. You know, we're just having a good time vibing, listening to my song, you know, everything, everywhere around here. Gonna go show you guys the booth. So have a good time here, guys. You know, it's a great place. Yeah, you go in here. They're cleaning some stuff, but over here they got the TV, chill pad, you know, there's some stuff going on. Go over here, and this is where the magic happens. It's where you go in, and it's like, bam! You know? It's like, got the microphone right here. Got the booth glass view out. Everything's awesome in here. So, you got a dream, keep it to you and yourself only. You got it in you. Alright, I'm out.